Now, Ms. Roman, on cross-opposing counsel was asking about the theory you were asked to focus on. Were you able to rule out the theory of the deer?
No, I wasn't able to rule it out. Based on all the evidence that I had, the heavily forested areas, the angle at which Mr. Dawson left the roadway, it's conclusive to the fact that Mr. Dawson swerved to avoid a deer and hit that tree in the utility pole because he hydroplaned.
Now, I'd like to talk to you a little about the differences between you and Officer Foster's findings. Now, why were they different?
Officer Foster didn't take into account the objects that Mr. Dawson hit. I did.
Now, Ms. Roman, this may seem like a silly question, but the size of those objects that Mr. Dawson hit wouldn't have changed between the night of the accident and when you arrived on the scene, would they?
No.
Now, Ms. Roman, in the course of your work in accident reconstruction, would Mr. Dawson, would the amount of alcohol that Mr. Dawson had affected your scientific findings?
No, I'm not a doctor. I focus on the physical evidence that I have of the car or cars involved in the crash and the objects that he hit and anything surrounding that road.
Your Honor, I pass witness.
Recross?
No recross.
Your Honor, may the witness be excused.
It's you, excuse.
Your Honor, at this time, the defense closes its case in chief, and we ask